Most people think ChatGPT is just for fun, homework, or writing emails. They imagine typing a few prompts and that's it. That mindset is why so many beginners never make money with it. But the truth is, right now, regular people are quietly using ChatGPT to earn around $100 a day online. Not influencers. Not technical experts. Just ordinary people who know the right approach. In this video, I'll show you how people are actually making money with ChatGPT, step by step, even if you've never done this before. No hype. No fake promises. Just practical methods that work. If you've ever tried making money online and felt lost or overwhelmed, this will feel different. Because most beginners fail before they even start. Here's why. Most beginners try to turn ChatGPT into a business. That's the wrong mindset. ChatGPT isn't the business. It's the assistant. It speeds up work. It helps you do tasks faster. It doesn't generate money on its own. Let me show you exactly how people are making $100 a day using ChatGPT. Method 1. Freelance services. This is the easiest and fastest way to start. Every day, businesses and creators need writing help, emails, product descriptions, social media captions. ChatGPT helps you create these quickly and efficiently. You don't need perfect English. You don't need a portfolio. You describe the task. ChatGPT drafts it. You polish it slightly. And you deliver a professional result. Most beginners make the mistake of offering everything under the sun. That confuses clients. Instead, pick one simple service and focus on it. Even small gigs, $5 to $20 per task, can add up to $100 a day if you repeat consistently. Method 2. Content repurposing. This is where ChatGPT becomes a superpower. Creators already have blogs, podcasts, or videos. They need multiple formats from the same content. ChatGPT can turn one blog into multiple posts, video scripts, or email newsletters. You can offer this as a service. Most beginners try to create content from scratch. That takes time and often fails. Repurposing existing content is faster and in demand. The key here is to understand the content first, then use ChatGPT to rewrite and optimize it. Clients will pay for speed. Not ideas. Not creativity. Just results. Method 3. Summaries and research. Another powerful method that people overlook. Businesses and students need information, but they don't have time to read. ChatGPT can summarize articles, analyze reviews, or condense long documents. You deliver clear insights rather than raw text. That's what clients actually pay for. The common mistake beginners make is copying AI output directly. That can cause errors and lose trust. Always review and refine the summary. Even just doing 2 to 3 summaries a day can earn consistent daily income. Method 4. Simple automation tasks. Not coding. Not building apps. Small businesses need repetitive tasks automated. Things like generating email templates, FAQs, or chatbot responses. ChatGPT helps you create reusable templates. Your client gets a faster workflow. You get paid for time saved. The biggest mistake is treating ChatGPT as a magic solution. It's not. It's an assistant. The more you understand the task, the better the results. Method 5. Selling prompts and templates. This is a lesser-known, highly effective approach. People don't want ChatGPT itself. They want better results from ChatGPT. Beginners create prompt packs, checklists, or guides. A clear set of instructions that solves a specific problem. For example, 10 prompts to write product descriptions in 5 minutes. If a prompt saves someone time or makes them money, they'll pay. The mistake most beginners make is being too broad. Niche-specific prompts sell far better than generic ones. Consistency is everything. Now here's the part most people ignore. They try one method. Post once. Then stop. ChatGPT doesn't make money automatically. People who succeed use it every single day. They repeat what works. They refine. They double down. Even small actions, done consistently, generate daily income. Extra tips for beginners. Pick one method first. Don't try all 5 at once. Focus on one platform. Reddit, Quora, freelancing sites. Track what works. Which services, prompts, or posts get clients or clicks. Double down on those. Use AI responsibly. Never deliver content blindly. Trust and quality matter more than speed. Why this works in 2026? Because human problems haven't changed. People still need writing, summaries, help, and templates. They value time. They are willing to pay to save it. ChatGPT just lowers the barrier. It speeds up your effort. It helps beginners compete with professionals. If you start today and focus consistently, making $100 a day isn't a dream. It's a realistic goal.